so Coker, what are we doing here?
So we're cutting up a little pepperoni stick. You can jazz up your burrito ever how you want, whatever kind of meats, condiments, jalapenos, whatever you want to put in there. This little pack that comes with the cheese is probably a pretty good deal. You have it all right there. You got a bag of ramen, and you probably have a bag of chips. And this is how this one here you want to keep as pristine as possible. This is what's going to cook your burrito and what's going to form it. So we got the crushed up Doritos, got some cheese in there. That's just the Doritos in our mixture, what's going to be inside the burrito. Our crushed up ramen, bag of ramen. Mix it up a little bit.
Water bottle sitting outside in the back is the heat source, huh?
This is the chicken. We have the chicken flavor. And here's the art of it, is the water, how much water you put in, because the ramen starts soaking it up. It's probably better when we'll show you just to kind of cut this down the middle and use this as a plate, because it won't hold together like your typical burrito, because the water is just putting all the ramen and the Doritos together, and it's expanding and it's making your tortilla. See,
there's the flavoring, the noodles, the cheese, everything in there.
So we're probably right at where we need to be with the water. You see it close towards the top, because you definitely want that end to also be absorbing and form your
right there.
Form your tortilla. So we got the water. So you just kind of roll this up. And like I said, landscaping around in the field, one of the best things. You may even see this now when you're out and about. Look at those landscaper truck. It might be a prison burrito cooking right there in the windshield.
You know.
Get our sun here. So good rule of thumb is about 30 minutes. Let the water absorb and form this is what your burrito is going to be formed in this shape here.
Little baby burrito.
So we'll let her sit in the sun.
All right.
Let her cook up.
Let you warm. So we have
So we'll go ahead and just open this up and just use this as the plate, because it will fall apart, as you see. But this one's actually warm. We actually had metal underneath, so this one got a good little
little cup form.
And it's a good idea to have some hot sauce to your favorite condiment to get a little bit of that taste. But this will do. You can jazz it up. You know, you got some jalapenos, pickles.
So you can get creative with it, you know?
So you get in here, you get a little of that, you see your Dorito action. Now it's going to give you some taste, so you get.
For this whole process take, what, 30 minutes?
Yeah, 30 to cook, 10 to prep it up and get it all mixed up. So it doesn't take long.
So for commissary, probably a couple bucks, and you know, you can go to the gas station and get you the same thing for a couple bucks in an hour, and you got your meal, right?